Today is the day that we're putting up the Christmas decorations. So I have donned a little pug Christmas jumper just to get into the spirit of things. Gonna get out all the decorations, got a couple of new bits for this year which I'll show you, and yeah, get this lounge looking a bit more festive. So this is the new stuff we've got, just this red and white tinsel and this candy cane bunting, nice and matching. So these both came from Home Bargains. I think the tinsel was 79p. We got two. And I think the candy cane bunting was maybe £1. Here's Tim building the tree. You having fun?
It's fun. I don't know where the stand is.
So we're just finding loads of decorations that I think we pretty much forgot that we had. I don't know if anybody else does that. The tree is still not built because we haven't found the stand for it yet. And Tim has just found the stand. So I think this is all the decorations now. Ord's found a little bauble. She's having a good time there. Felix seems a bit uncertain, but yeah, I think this is all of our stuff now. Oh, and the two new bits over there. So we've actually encountered our first problem. So we've got two sets of Christmas lights. So we've got this set here, which are all like multicoloured and flash all different like speeds and stuff. And then we've just got the like white-ish lights that go on the tree. Yeah, so they're not working. Can't find out which bulb has gone. We haven't got any spares. So Tim's doing a little last minute dash down to Home Bargains, which luckily, you know, is like a 10-minute walk from where we live, so it's not like too dramatic, to get some more lights. In the meantime, I'm just going to be putting up some of the other decorations. We've got like little bits and bobs that just go around the house and like dangly things to hang everywhere. I've put some bits up in the kitchen that I'll show you in a bit, and I found some window stickers, which is really good because I didn't think we had any. So I've also got this like little tree that obviously all slots together, and I got this last year I think from Tiger, and it was only a few pounds or so, but I need to find the rest of the bits that go on here and put it together. I think the stars come off the top, but still looking very cute. Just goes in this little base here to hold it all together. So the tree is done now. Tim has obviously come back with some new lights, and we've put on the decorations for the tree. We've gone for like a red and gold theme, and then I've just popped up a few other bits all around the lounge. I'll just probably do like a little montage of clips now, and then I'll show you probably better later when it's dark and I can show you all the lights and everything, and it looking all super Christmassy. This tinsel here into the kitchen, and just put up all these little snowflake stickers and just this cute little pom-pom bunting, and then just got this candy cane bunting up in the bedroom. So it's now a different day, as you can probably tell, and the decorations are all looking really lovely behind me, and I thought it was time to try my first like festive food item, if that makes sense. So I actually opted to get this sandwich from Tesco's, which is part of their meal deal, and this is the turkey and trimmings sandwich, and apparently has a sage and onion stuffing, so looks very nice. Let me just see if there's like a little description. So it's turkey breast, mayonnaise, pork sausage, cranberry sauce, sage and onion stuffing, sweet cured bacon in malted bread. And I don't normally go for the like Christmas sandwiches in the meal deal range if I ever get a meal deal, which is quite rare to be honest, but I just thought it'd be fun to give this one a go and just give it a little bit of a taste test. Well, it's now lunchtime and I've got my turkey and trimmings sandwich. So yes, I'm one of those that when I'm at home I will put my meal deal sandwich onto a plate. I also got some hula hoops to go with my meal deal, and I got this Tropicana multivitamin boost. Looked quite nice, lots of tropical fruit in there. So I'm surprised at Tesco's they don't have any like more festive sides, not sides, like snacks, because all they had was the usual like crisps and chocolate and cereal bars and things like that. And then drinks wise, again, I suppose it's probably a bit harder to have a festive soft drink, but I just thought I'd go for juice because something a bit different. But time to taste test this. It's definitely jam-packed with fillings, I can say that for certain. Well, first bite and first impressions have been good. The bread is nice and soft, and I had a bit of the bacon and a bit of the turkey, which was nice. Turkey not too dry, which you can sometimes find, and the bacon just tasted pretty much like a normal sandwich bacon. But I'll finish off my lunch and then I'll give kind of like my thoughts once I finish the sandwich. Well, I have finished my turkey and trimmings sandwich, and I have to say it was actually really tasty. I don't often go for like a meal deal or like a supermarket sandwich, but just fancied a bit of a treat. There was so much filling in the sandwich as well, which was a bit of a bonus because sometimes they can be a bit disappointing. The turkey was nice, the bacon was just, I think, your standard sandwich bacon. I liked the sausage slices in there as well, they were really flavoursome. And the stuffing mayonnaise was very interesting. It definitely helped to keep the sandwich like not being too dry, because just all the meat could have been a bit dry, and the cranberry sauce in it as well was really nice. There was quite a generous serving of that. So overall, yeah, pretty good sandwich from Tesco's. Well, it's very obviously another day, well, it's another evening, and we have just ordered the new McDonald's Festive burgers. So according to the little map, they are, or the delivery driver is 5 minutes away. So Tim's opted for the Festive stack, which is like the beef burger, and I've opted for the Festive crispy chicken. So very excited. It's probably the best Christmas menu McDonald's have done for like 5 years. So very excited, and I will show you what the burger looks like when it gets here. So our food has arrived. It looks excellent. Been a while since we've had a McDonald's, and excited to try out this Festive burger. We are watching Love Actually, classic Christmas film, with our dinner. So yeah, just all in all, a nice relaxing Christmassy evening. So this is my burger. Let's have a little look. I can get it open. Oh yeah, it looks hench. It's got a nice poppy seed bun. It is absolutely chock full of stuff, so I'm gonna enjoy that now. Well, I've just finished my Festive crispy chicken burger from McDonald's, and it was really tasty. The bun was really interesting. The chicken actually was crispy and was a huge piece of chicken. I really liked the cranberry sauce in it, although there was quite a lot of it. And I think one of the other highlights as well was the like sage and onion mayo. That had a really nice flavour to it. Yeah, so just all finished up now, and just going to carry on watching the rest of Love Actually. So it is again a different day, and for our dinner tonight we're actually having a festive afternoon tea, even though it is 6:15. But we did some festive baking and just thought it was a perfect way to use up the leftovers from that baking. So first of all, we've got our sandwiches, which aren't massively festive, but anyway, we've got egg mayo, cheese and pickle, and then we've got pigs in blankets with cranberry sauce and Emmental cheese. And then just a couple of those like mini sausage rolls that you do in the oven. So this is all our sandwiches that we're gonna share. So I just realised halfway through eating the like sweet part of this afternoon tea that I didn't actually show what we were having. So we've got chocolate orange brownie, which I feel is quite festive. And also like mince pie, shortbread crumble type thing. They are like both half eaten on my plate, but I will show you them anyway. And I also have this tiny bit of mojito left that is like literally the world's strongest mojito ever. Probably will have a coffee afterwards rather than a tea, but overall festive evening tea has been a resounding success. It is another day in this Christmas vlog, and I finished work a bit early today, and in a few days time Tim and I are actually going to be filming a collaboration video together. So I'm just going to pop out to Home Bargains just to get all of the bits that I need. To give a bit of a spoiler, we're doing like a stocking swap thing, so I need to obviously get the bits for that, get a stocking and wrap everything up. So I'm back home now from my trip to Home Bargains, and I didn't really get as much as I was kind of hoping or expecting to get there. Like, I'm happy with the things that I got for Tim's stocking, but I have also just been to Tesco's just to like top it up a little bit. So I have got these 2 bags of stuff. I did also actually get something for the cats, because why not? So this is what the cats have got for their stocking, which I'm sure they will be very excited to eat. So all I need to do is get all of this wrapped, and then yeah, in a few days time we'll be actually filming our stocking swap. So I didn't get round to wrapping any of Tim's stocking presents yesterday, so that's going to be my task for now. I won't show you anything that I've got him just yet, but you'll probably just see like little clips of me wrapping. I've actually just filmed another video doing this makeup look, so definitely keep an eye out for that at some point on my channel. So here is all of Tim's stocking presents wrapped. Well, I don't actually have stockings, so they're probably just going to go in this very glamorous Iceland bag. Well, I hope that you enjoyed my weekly festive vlog. There will be a new festive vlog of just what I've been up to in the week out every Friday in December, and then obviously like my normal videos out at their normal times. So as I said, I really hope that you enjoyed watching this vlog, and thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.